Hey guys, so this is my submission for Minesweeper-AI to CS50's Introduction to AI with Python. They gave us some code to complete it and to fill whatever knowledge we have and whatever knowledge we have gained from this video. So let's run it and check what I have built and what my code says. Let's run the code first and then I'll explain the code. Okay, so this is uh, the AI window. Let's run some random moves. Okay, in the right side we can see which move my AI has selected, and we can also see knowledge base. So currently it has no knowledge base like in the first step, because when it is selected 0, so all of the 8 box around it are confirmed to be safe. So it directly went into confirmed safe uh, set. So let's run it and check. Okay, so till now I have 2 mines confirmed, and I have added two line of additional codes to runner, so that I can make our mine display in real time. I can flag it actually in real time. I'll show it to you. Okay, so it is making educated guesses, as well as we have our knowledge base which is being updated by every move, and we have 3 mines, and these 3 sets are confirmed to be safe. So it basically runs a confirmed safe, and then it updates everything according to it. So we have already won because our AI has guessed all the flags. So we can reset and we can try it again. Okay, so in the first move I lose because there is no chance to select a cell which doesn't, like, there's no confirmed route. Okay, so let's start. Okay, you can slow down or pause the video if you want. So you can check whether my AI is doing it right or not. Okay, so second time or third time also worked. Okay, so uh, at this stage it selected 6 and 6 by 6, and after this, after the run, we have this knowledge base, but we don't have a confirm uh, safe. So we don't have a safe move where we could like go. So it takes a risk. So AI makes random move, and sadly it's caught by mine. Let's reset it and try again. Not every time it will work, but it will work. Well, it's a guess only. It's not something like algorithm. Surely it will win. Yeah, here we go. So the last chance. Then I'll go to the code. Okay, so it's already won. So let's move to the code, and here is our code. So let's go to directly change log so we can see. So in the runner.py I have made only one change. Uh, so here these 2 lines I have updated. Uh, so every time we click a button, it also calls a function in my AI which return all the mines, and it displays those mines. So these are only 2 lines of code which I have added to runner.py so that I can display those mines in real time. Okay, this is our minesweeper.py. So I have implemented the code. The code I'll post on GitHub Link will be in my video description, as well as I'll follow the submission procedure. So I've implemented all the functions here in the sentence. Also, okay, so I've implemented all the functions. These are some uh, printing codes. Okay, so this is safe move code, and this is a random, like to move a random code. I have also added two functions. So there is a first function which will basically minify our knowledge base, which basically uses like it is called in my function only for my safety. Like I have splitted that function only, and this returns all the mines which I have used in runner.py to print the mines. Okay, so I think I've shown everything. So if you have any doubt, you can comment, comment box, follow the link,